Hi, my lovely Sagittarians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Sagittarians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of February 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Sagittarians, before we begin, just a disclaimer, I've been pretty unwell last couple of days, weeks, and I'm still recovering. So please forgive me for the low energy or the huffing, puffing, coughing, okay? I was not even sure I'll be able to record for February, but anyway, I'm giving it a shot. Yeah. Having said that, guys, while shuffling for you guys, I was feeling so distracted, like so distracted. I was just not able to focus today at all. I mean, I really had to bring my attention back to the reading continuously, okay? Someone's mind is full of clutter, lot of thoughts are going on, lot of mind racing. I suddenly felt very emotional as well. Emotional in the sense I thought I'll cry, okay? So yeah, some heavy stuff going on, some mind chattering going on, and you guys really need to meditate is what I am getting energetically, okay? By the way, I am Sagittarian sun sign, okay? So this applies to me as well. Okay, with that, guys, let's see what messages we have for you guys for this month of February 2022. Seven of Wands. Oh my goodness. I had exactly same placements, same cards. I think only this card was different, but I don't know which reading was it. I think it was Scorpio. If you have Scorpio in your charts, please take a look in that, okay? Okay. Death card. Yeah, you really need to let go of something. Six of Cups. You have shown up in your own reading, guys. Yeah, Justice. I'll take this Death card and Four of Swords and Nine of Swords as well. There is something definitely happening, something major happening with you guys in terms of your energies, okay? Something really major is what I'm getting. Okay, so nevertheless, let's get started, okay? So your overall energy has shown up as Six of Ariel. Now Six of Ariel is six of pentacles in conventional tarot. It says material needs gets fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Acts of kindness giving or receiving with a grateful heart. Basically, guys, Six of Pentacles is all about balancing give and take. Okay, there could be a give and take of money. I feel that some of you guys might have indulged in some charity work as well in recent months or in upcoming months, or are planning to do that. If you have lent or if you have lent money to someone, you might get that money back, okay? Or you might borrow money from someone, okay? But there is definitely give and take of money that is happening over here for you guys in upcoming days is what I'm saying, okay? There are total four sixes. So number 6 might be crucial for you, for some of you guys, okay? Crucial in the sense, guys, there could be something that might be happening from past 6 months, 6 months, 6 weeks, okay, or might take 6 months to come into fruition is also what I'm seeing. You guys might end up getting victorious, but it will take some time. I think a period of 6 months is what I'm getting. 6 is coming up very crucially over here also. 6 is also a number of balancing things, guys. Make sure you have balance in your life in general, because that message I'm getting very strongly, especially considering how distracted I was feeling while shuffling for you guys. Yes. Yes. So, talking about your overall reading, guys, there is Seven of Wands and there is Seven of Wands World card and Emperor showing up over here. I feel that some of you guys are feeling stuck in some situation. Okay, you guys are going round and round, rather in round circles. Not round circle is of course round. You're going in circles over some issue since past couple of days or weeks. Okay, not able to come out of certain situation is what I'm seeing. Okay, and you are also having tough time making your point or putting across your point. Okay, no matter how right you are. Okay, there is someone who is very much stubborn in this energy. This could be you or the other person, but because of the stubbornness of that person or that energy, the things are getting more complicated. Okay, the things are not moving forward and you are feeling stuck in that situation. Okay, you guys are not making progress. There is this Emperor energy. Emperor talks about someone who is really very can be very stubborn, is what I'm seeing over here. I feel I'm getting this more stubbornness because of the Seven of Wands energy as well. Okay, so guys, there is a need to put your foot down. Okay, there is a need to say no to some mindless BS of someone. Okay, there is a need to get organized, self-disciplined. There is a need to call a spade and stand up for yourself. Okay, and put your points very vehemently. Okay, I feel that whomever you are dealing with, guys, you really need to prepare while communicating with this person. Okay, otherwise it's not going to be going down well with that person is what I'm seeing over here. You really need to think about what you're going to talk to that person. Be very sure of the choice of words while communicating with that person is what I'm seeing. Okay, otherwise there are bound to have clashes. Otherwise there could be more clashes in the mix is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, get a little more organized, plan a little, and I think you'll be able to get through this. Okay, currently definitely some of you guys are sitting in the Four of Cups energy, feeling a little beaten up, beaten down and not really feeling a bit about something is what I'm getting. But the good news is, guys, there is Six of Wands in your energy. Okay, I feel that whatever the situation, you're going to get justice in the end. Okay, there is six of wands and there is Six of Wands and justice. This tells me, guys, whatever this is, you're going to come out victorious in this situation. Okay, you're going to get your justice is what I'm getting over here. Whatever paperwork that you have been waiting for, if any, I think you will get that paperwork coming through. Okay, legal matters, if you are in a legal matters, involved in some legal matters, then that work will also come through, because Six of Wands is the card of success, and I definitely see that success coming your way, guys. I can tell you that this battle was not a very easy one, because it definitely has given you sleepless nights. It definitely has made you anxious. It has made you exhausted physically and mentally, guys, is what I'm seeing over here. There is death card in your energy, guys. Something is going to come to an end for sure. Okay, I feel that some of you guys might end up some bond, some alliance with anyone, with some bond or some alliance with someone over here. You might even block that person from social media, WhatsApp, Insta, Facebook, whatever. Like, cut all forms of communication with this person is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, Scorpion energy and strong air energy coming through. Okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, I think that whatever this ending is, okay, this is a major chapter of your life. Okay, life is coming full circle. Whatever this is happening for a reason. There is some lesson to be learned from this, guys. Be very mindful of that. This has not happened for no reason. Nothing happens for without a reason, guys. Make sure that you have learnt your lessons and you have learnt it well. Okay, definitely justice is going to be served, but we should not stop at that. We should really make sure that we have learnt lessons. Okay, learnt our lessons. For a very few people over here, I'm getting that there could be pregnancy in the mix. Okay, you might you might expect good news. Okay, Sagittarians, I'm really happy to hear that. For some of you guys, there could be a beginning in some in a different way. Okay, I feel that once you are through this legal battle, you will start, or there would be a reboot in your life. There is Ace of Cups also. Okay, for some of you guys, there could be new love coming through. Okay, but for that you have to just let go of this negativity. Just get over and done with the negativity in the past. Okay, and that is how you are going to move ahead in your karmic life cycle, is what I'm getting over here, guys. Definitely new beginnings for new relationship for some of you guys, wherein that person is seeing you as this beautiful empress. Okay, beautiful empress who is just sure of herself, knows how to take care of herself and her fellow beings. I also feel that for some of you guys who are going through this struggle, period of struggle, there is a father figure or a father figure behind you who has stood through thick and thin with you. Okay, throughout this journey of yours. Okay, this could be a male, female, anything, but someone whom you have looked up to, whom you have consulted to, taken advice from. Okay, and who was very sorted person. Okay, a go-to kind of person who has been with you in this journey. I also feel that some of you guys might be stuck in some property related work as well, but that's coming as a very low energy. But definitely there has been some legal thing going on for some of you guys, and that is going to come through, is what I'm getting over here. Very intense energy, guys. The Knight of Pentacles is showing up. It's a very slow moving energy. You might at times feel frustrated because there is temperance as well. Okay, so you might feel that okay, things are not progressing, I'm feeling stuck, nothing is moving ahead, and you might feel a little frustrated. But please note that no matter what you feel, the things are progressing in background. Okay, you are going to get this, you are going to come out of this victorious, is what I'm seeing. Temperance energy is asking you to keep patience. It's a Sagittarian energy, it's your own energy, guys. Meditate. I really feel that you guys really should meditate. It will bring in a lot of answers. How did I miss this? Damn, how did I miss this? Emperor and Empress showing up in the same reading. So guys, this is a soulmate couple. This is a power couple, like the, what do I say? It's a super power couple, guys. Perfect blend of two people coming together. Okay, and Ace of Cups. Yes, there is going to be a soulmate reunion for some of you guys. You guys have been partners from earlier lives as well. It's a karmic connection, beautiful connection. For those who are going to end up in a new relationship, no, don't have any doubts about this relationship. Okay, I feel that some of you guys might meet up through online space, maybe a dating app, or maybe matrimonial site, I don't know, but something over the internet. Okay, you guys just happen to bump into each other, and guys, this is like I mean, it's the universe has, worked towards bringing you guys together in this lifetime is what I'm seeing. Okay, this is no coincidence, and you were meant to be together. Okay, the reason could be anything. Okay, like you meet each other, like I said, through internet or common friends or whatever, but this is a karmic connection. You are bound to come together in this lifetime, and it's a very beautiful reunion. I'm getting very beautiful energy through this reading, guys. Very, very beautiful energy. Wow. Wow. Six of Cups. Yeah, some of you guys might be missing someone here big time. Okay, big time in the sense really major missing is what I'm seeing. Okay, you guys might be indulging in childhood memories. Okay, looking back, I feel that for some of you guys who are this emperor and empress, okay, you guys might be staying apart from each other. Maybe you guys could be from different countries altogether, and there's distance between you, and you guys are really missing each other is what I'm getting, and it's kind of testing your patience is what I'm seeing over here. Wow, what a beautiful energy, and what a beautiful reading, guys. It's a blend of couple of things, and there are different stories in this reading, and I absolutely have loved this reading. Like I said, there is pregnancy for some of you guys, and it's like someone's world is going to be complete now. Okay, that kind of energy is also what I'm getting through this. Wow, I just love this. I had like I said, I had similar energies in Scorpio also, wherein two people who are in who could come together and meet through internet online space, but I could see a word of caution which I'm not seeing over here. I had not seen the power couple over in that reading as well. Okay, so wow, oh my goodness. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful and my favorite deck. Your commitment is being tested. Of course, someone's patience is definitely tested big time is what I'm seeing over here. But trust, have faith, guys. Things are going to turn in your favor. Okay, be bold and make the first move. Wow. I am not going to explain that card. These are two soulmates coming together, and it's matter of who is going to pop the question. That's the kind of message I'm getting. Show the world real you. Okay, yes, there is a world card that is coming in. The energy of world card is definitely coming in very strongly, guys. Full moon in Aquarius, there is something major karmic event happening in your lives, guys. Major turn of events happening. Okay, you are moving one cycle in your, or rather completing one karmic cycle of this lifetime. Stay authentic. Okay, this message, show the world real you, is going with this emperor. Okay, who is like completely raw energy, very balanced energy, guys. That's what you need to do. Who's very sure of himself or herself rather. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Stay optimistic. Yes, of course, your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. Yes, I know, no matter how frustrated you are thinking, please note that you are going to win in this situation. So please stay positive. Synchronicity. Your prayers are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. Yeah, so be mindful of any signs, synchronicities. If you're seeing repeated numbers, repeated patterns, okay, too many coincidences, those are not coincidences. Those are messages from your angels, your spirit guides, people who have transited, that telling you something. Okay, watch out, pay attention to your thoughts, pay attention to your intuition. Okay, yeah, let's pull some charms and conclude your reading, guys. Okay, the death card, did you just see that? The death card, just this charm just flew. Okay, flew out of nowhere. I had not even picked it up. I will anyway keep it, guys. I will keep this away. Letter Y, okay, initial Y, if this means anything to you guys, initial Y, a place, a person's having Y in their initials, initial H, okay. H was there for Scorpio as well, okay. So if at all this means anything to you guys, H, person, people, anything that rings bells to you guys with initial H. Initial Q, I don't know why what this initial might mean to anyone, guys. Last month this was the stalker charm for my readings. Almost all readings I had pulled initial Q. Strong is beautiful, of course. Choose strength. No matter how beaten up you might be feeling in this times, make sure that you stay strong, okay, and not give up. Live your dream. Okay, I think I had pulled this charm as well for Scorpions. Paris. Yeah, for some of you guys, there could be overseas travel. Okay, there is world card as well, and one meaning of world card is overseas travel as well. Like I said, if there are two people coming together from different backgrounds, different countries, you might fly to see each other, okay. If that happens, do let me know, guys. Need not be, oh my god, did you see that? It's a ring, guys. Definitely wedding bells I can hear loud and clear. Definitely engagement, wedding for some of you guys, and I'm so happy for you guys. Find joy into the journey. Yeah, enjoy the journey no matter what, and I choose strength, of course. You're a fire sign, okay. You never give up, okay. That's the kind of message I'm getting. And finally, the death card. Definitely some endings, some karmic cycles are being completed over here, only to start afresh, okay, only to step into a beautiful new phase of your life, okay. Scorpion energy coming through very strongly. So Sagittarians, I leave it at that. It was sorry, it was really a beautiful reading. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.